Hello, in this quick video tutorial I'm going to be teaching you on how to fix if you've registered too many accounts on your boloup. So you've actually seen an error message like this, and let's take for instance you want to create an account on boloup and you're seeing an error message after clicking and selecting your email or inputting your phone number, which says here you've registered too many accounts. So this is what you can actually do. In most cases you only have one account, whereas it's actually showing you something like this. This is what you need to do first. You can actually go to your Play Store or App Store like this, click on the search button and search for boloup. So when you do that, make sure you are using the latest version of boloup by updating yours. If yours says update, go ahead and update it. After updating it, you need to go to your phone settings like this, scroll and click on apps. You can see the option of apps on your phone settings. So right here you need to go ahead and search for boloup. When you do that, go ahead and click on the app like this, scroll gently and click on storage. Right here at the bottom you can see where it says clear storage. You need to click on clear cache if this is an app box, so that this is going to actually help you to fix the problem. Then you need to go back to your boloup. Now if after following these steps and yet it is not yet solved, then this is what you need to do. You can simply go right here where you can see the help icon at the top right corner of the screen. So looking here you can see WhatsApp and Telegram. You can select any of this. Here it says, hello, I'm having problem with the registration page, please help me. Go ahead and send this and follow this person up, and they're going to actually help you to solve your problem as well regarding to having too many registered accounts on boloup. This is the one way you can actually do this. Now if after doing this, going back to this page, clicking on your Google account and selecting your Gmail used in creating your boloup account, you'll be able to log into the account as well. This is after you've actually followed the steps you need to actually follow as shown on this video. Going back right here, you need to follow this person up. If yours is still showing that error message, you need to follow this person up and tell this person what your problem actually is, and they're going to actually help you to resolve that issue. So this is how simple it is to fix you've registered too many accounts on boloup. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button. This channel is really for you. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. See you in the next one.